under any circumstances, ever bring him home. Because if you do, well, good luck, Charlie.
Good luck, Charlie.
I came to New York to follow my dreams, because this is where dreams come true. Yeah, right.
Just enjoy it. It feels like a party every day.
Miley, you and I being your best friend, are going to see the one, the only Hannah.
I'm Miley. I'm your new roommate.
It all began when our parents decided we could use some fresh air.
You must be too
Ready to head into the unknown?
Nope. Let's do it.